After struggling with Marvel Rivals, anti-cheat launch failures and game crashes myself, and spending many hours trying different solutions, I finally found several ways that truly work, and I'm going to share them with you right now. This video will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals anti-cheat launch failed and crash error for good. First, verifying game files is super important because sometimes game files get broken or go missing during downloads or updates. The game needs all its parts in the right place to start correctly, especially the anti-cheat system. If a file is corrupted, the game just won't launch. Next, keeping your computer's drivers and operating system up to date is a big deal. Older graphics drivers or Windows versions can cause conflicts with new games and anti-cheat software, leading to crashes. Updating them makes sure everything talks to each other smoothly. Third, sometimes the anti-cheat program itself gets a little messed up. Reinstalling it completely gives it a fresh start, making sure it installs correctly and can do its job protecting the game without crashing your system. Finally, your computer's firewall and antivirus can sometimes block parts of Marvel Rivals or its anti-cheat, thinking they are harmful. Making sure these programs know Marvel Rivals is safe allows the game and its security features to run without interference, preventing launch failures and unexpected shutdowns. These methods tackle the main reasons why your game might not be working.